we will be discussing about the Imprint Sales Agent mobile application. So this is my login page where as a sales agent, I have to log in the morning to record my login time. I have to enter the username and password and it will take me to the dashboard, the landing page of the mobile application where I can see my manager's name on the very top along with my name. I can see the login time, at what time I logged in the morning, then my total working hours, and then the last logout time, at what time I logged out last time for the day. The total appointment count will be visible. After that, I can see the total number of jobs assigned to me for the day. In case I have had any trip for today, I have started the trip in my mobile application. Those will be visible on the trip section, where further to that I can click on the respective trip and I can see the complete details for how much time I was on the trip, what is the start time, end time, and the start and end location along with the map details. Then I have the appointment section where I can see the appointments which are scheduled for today for me. So these can either be shared by my manager or else they could have been added by the sales agent itself from the mobile application. The client visits done, if any, will be visible on this client visit section. Then comes the job. If any job is assigned to me, I can see the complete job details over here itself. So these are the jobs which are assigned to me, which I have to finish for the day. Then I have information for any reimbursement which have been assigned or submitted by me to my manager. So today I have submitted one reimbursement and the status is approved. It is already approved by my manager. So this is my landing page for Sales Agent mobile application. Now coming to the menu bar, the features which we are having in this mobile application are, you can see the profile. In profile section, you will be having your name, your manager's name visible. There is the option of to-do list also. You can create a list of your own where you can add the important points and reminders which you want to set for yourself. So this way you can have access to the to-do list which you have created. You can note down the points and once these are done, you can delete the same. Change password option is available in the same page. You can change the password for your login. About Us section will let you know the app version you are using and our technical helpline numbers and the email ID. Logout option will be visible in the profile section itself. When you come to the appointment section, you can see the complete details of the appointment which you have created for today or maybe your manager has allocated to you. So if you can see, I am having 2 appointments for the day. One is already finished where you can see the green tick. If I click on it and check the details, I can check the complete details. This is my next appointment detail. When I click on the next appointment detail, it will help me to get the client name, his contact number, email ID, location, comment if given any, and the client visit status, whether it has been started or not. So it is saying start, which means I have not started it yet. I am getting an option to navigate also. So in case I am sitting at my home location or at any other meeting venue, I can click on navigate and it will guide me to the next client's location automatically. I can edit also, I can modify the appointment in case the time has been rescheduled by the client. So once I have submitted the details, I can go to appointment section. Then I can click on start once I have entered the client meeting. Then once the meeting is over, you have to close the MOM by attaching a comment and image if you wish to. So we are providing voice to text conversion facility over here where we will be saving the time of the sales agent in typing the MOM of the meeting. You can directly click on this icon, this is speaker icon, and it will help you to convert your voice into text. So let me show you. Hi, the meeting was good and we have got the agreement. So you can see whatever I have spoken is now converted into text and I can attach an image also if I wish to, or else a file also can be attached along with the MOM submission. You can close the MOM by ending the client visit over here, which means you are indicating that you are done with your meeting. Now I am closing the MOM by submitting the details. So this appointment is submitted successfully and you can see the green tick icon against the appointment which indicates that the appointment is submitted successfully to the manager. Now manager can view the same information on their manager portal. Our next option is trip. So whenever you are starting from one location to another, from your home location to the meeting venue or from meeting venue A to meeting venue B, you have to click on the start trip icon. As soon as you click on the start trip icon, a trip will be started and the path you are following will be captured on the system and it will help you to get the final kilometer traveled by you on your tips. You will be having a complete record in the trip history which you can see. Once the trip is over, you have reached the meeting venue, you can end the trip, and the same information will be visible on your trip history section. So you can see I am having 2 trips completed. One I completed in afternoon at 2 o'clock, and the one is the recently which I have started. If you wish to see the details, you can see the details also by clicking on the respective trip. Then comes the option of reimbursement. You can update the reimbursement from the mobile application itself. You can click on the add icon. You can select the type of the reimbursement which is allocated. Select the date, the time, the amount, and you can write any comment. So for attaching the bill, it will ask you for the image copy. You can take a photograph which will be shared with your manager and submit. So as soon as the reimbursement bill is submitted, it will be visible to the manager. Also, you will be having a complete access to the approved, rejected, queried, or submitted bill. Whichever is there, whichever reimbursement you have applied, the complete status will be visible to you in all the sections. So this bill you have updated just now and is visible to in the submitted category. If you wish to see the approved reimbursement, those will be visible over here. Now coming to the timesheet, as I told you, whenever you log in for the very first time in the day, your login time is captured, and when you log out for the last time at the end of the day, the same time is captured, and it will help the system to find out your total working hours. So if you can see, it is calculating my total working hours on those days whenever I am logging into the mobile application. So your timesheet will now be handy and will be with you. Next is form submission. You will be having access to all the dynamic forms which are created by your admin. You can select the forms which you have to fill from the drop down. Also, while submitting the form, app helps you to enter the customer name, and rest of the details will be auto filled. Again, the application gives you the access to attach the images while submitting the form. So you can use the same. You can click any image and share it with the manager. And your form will be submitted now, and it will be received on the manager portal. I can view the status of the form submitted. I will be having complete record how many forms have been submitted by me on the mobile application. And in case any form I have been submitting in the offline mode, or maybe my internet connection was not good, those forms will be visible in the pending category. So I can sync them again, and those will be visible to my manager now. So the form which I have just submitted is visible to me in my mobile application. Coming to the job category, I will be having access to the jobs which are assigned to me. Also, I can create any new job which I will be performing, which is not updated by my manager from the manager portal. So I will be having the right to add a new job also for myself. So I can go to this plus icon and I can create a job filling all the important fields. So once a job is created, it will be visible in the new section. I can click on the job name. Once I reaches the client location, I have to start by clicking on the start button, and once the job is completed, I have to fill the form which is attached with the report. So this form indicates once submitted that I have completed my job which is assigned to me, and this is the status from the client. Again, it will ask me to select the image in case I wish to attach any, which is optional. I can directly submit the form and done, and I can click on the plus icon by ending my client visit for the job. So the form is filled and submitted by the sales agent from the mobile application. The same is now received by the manager on his portal. He will be receiving the notification update, and he can download the same form in the Excel format and view it. Also, to the sales agent, it will be visible in the submitted category that the form and the job is successfully submitted from the employee side. So here you can see the collect agreement job is again visible to me in the submitted category. Now the client visit. So here I will be getting the details of all the clients who are nearby to me. I click on this near visitor section. I can see only one client is near to me in the radius of 1 kilometer. So this radius limit is set by the admin of the company. If I am visiting this client, I can click on the client name and I can start on the start button. I can click on that. So as soon as I start the visit, my manager will receive an indication that Tarun has started the visit for this client. Once the meeting is over, the visit is done, I can enter the comment which has to be shared with my manager. end the visit, and it's done. So now you can see in my client visit section, you will be able to see the details of the visit which I have done just now. So here in the visited section, you can see the client visit details which I have finished just now. Now the business card scanning module. This will help you to scan the business card. You click on the take pic icon. It will open up the camera. You can place the business card and click an image which will be visible, and automatically the data will be filled. So in case I have taken this as a sample image, if I click on save, it will fill up the details accordingly. So right now it is the keypad, so I have to enter the details. And I am getting two options now: add to contact, so I can directly add this person name and contact number, email ID in my phone contact list. Also I can submit the same to my manager. Address is mandatory over here, and submitted. The company name, and done. So the same information will be received by my manager along with the copy of the business card, and the business card is submitted now. Coming to the leave management, you can manage your leaves from this portal itself. You can have a look on the company holidays which are available in the company, and the weekly offs which you are assigned to or entitled to take. In case you wish to apply a leave, you can apply the same from the same application. So maybe for tomorrow I wish to apply a leave, that okay, tomorrow I will be taking a leave. And so I already have a leave applied on 29th. The system will give you alert for that as well. Also on 30th I have a leave, so system will keep a check on these dates that whenever I am having a leave, it will be. So here I can see for 1st of May I am able to apply my leave, and I can see that leave is applied and it's pending from manager's side. So once manager will approve my leave, I will be getting the same information in my mobile application. Now coming to the collection module, it will help me to view any collection which is allocated to me by my manager on the assigned collection. So this 1000 rupees collection is allocated to me to be taken from client Rohit. I have to acknowledge this, that okay, I have received this information and I am going to the client end to collect. So the status is changed to acknowledge now. Once I have reached the client location, I can click on the collect button in case the client is giving me the payment, or else I can click on discard in case the client declines the payment. If I am taking the payment, I need to select the mode of payment. In whichever mode of payment he is submitting the cash to the collection amount to me, the reference number, and the image also I can attach which my client is giving me. So it can be the copy of check, the check image I can take, or any receipt which he has given me I can take, and submit it. So once it is submitted, it will be visible on the view collection page. Here I can see that this collection is submitted now. Also, as a sales agent, I have option to initiate the collection from my side. So I can create a collection that okay, I have collected this much amount and is submitting to my manager. On 28th, I have collected 1500 rupees from location. You can type the reference number, you can give, and image you can attach if you wish to, and submit it. So as soon as it is submitted, it is like a direct payment which is not allocated to you by your manager, but you have get in touch with your client and he has given you the payment. So both of the information are visible to you in the collection module. The same information will be received by the manager at the same time, and he can have the same thing handy in the reports as well, against your name and against the customer name as well. So these are all the features which we are having in our Imprint Salesforce application, which helps the complete team to be connected with each other the manager can easily track the day-to-day activity of the sales agent without the sales agents getting their task hampered in between. Maybe they are on the move, they are visiting one client from one client to another client. They need not to call or write a long email to the managers. From this application itself, they can communicate their day-to-day activity. They can submit the form, submit the reimbursement, start the client visits, finish their appointments, complete their jobs assigned to them. Collection can be done from the same application, leave management, timesheet management. So it is a multi-vertical application which is helping all the sales agents to be connected with the manager. It is a machine-to-machine talk where both the application and the manager portal are talking to each other, and the data sharing is being done. So there is no fuzzing of data in between, and the reliable reports are generated. The data is reliable, and the transparency is maintained between all the parties, all the stakeholders, and the time which earlier you were using or spending in manual tasks can now be utilized for productive tasks. So your productivity will increase for sure. Hope this video is helpful for you guys to understand the Imprint application. Thank you so much.